Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Berani belajar, kalian harus berani. Oke. Yo, agak capek ya guys ya sebenarnya. Ini udah malam jam 9, jadi kita ya agak buru-buru aja lah ya. Jadi kita masuk ke unit 30, membahas mengenai May and Might 2. Sebelumnya udah kita bahas di unit 29 yang pertama, jadi ini lanjutannya ya. Jadi kita langsung aja ke bagian part A-nya duluan. We use may and might to talk about possible action or happening in the future. Oke, jadi kita berbicara mengenai aksi yang mungkin dan happenings in the future dan terjadi di masa depan. Maksudnya gimana kita masuk ke contoh kalimat. Yang pertama, I haven't decided where to go on holiday. I may go to Ireland. Nah, I may go to Ireland itu perhaps I will go there. I will go to Ireland. Nah, itu possible action ya yang terjadi di masa depan gitu. Kemudian, take an umbrella with you. It might rain later. Perhaps it will rain. Jadi mungkin iya, mungkin enggak. Tapi itu ya kemungkinan gitu ya. Predicting future gitu. Kemudian the bus isn't always on time. We might have to wait a few minutes. Perhaps we will have to wait. Jadi tapi belum tentu juga nanti si bus itu telat. Tapi biasanya memang tidak selalu tepat waktu, gitu ya. Kemudian bentukan negatif dari may or might itu jadi might not or might not. Jadi singkatan ini might. Ini cara bacanya itu sebentar ya, aku cari tahu dulu. Aku jarang sih orang kayaknya disingkat gitu ya kalau ngomong. Mungkin tidak, itu dia mightn't. Jadi might not jadi mightn't. Might not jadi tetap might not aja. Kita lihat contohnya adalah Amy might not go out tonight. She isn't feeling well. Perhaps she will not to go out. Jadi kemungkinan si Ami itu nggak pergi malam ini karena dia merasa kurang enak badan gitu. She isn't feeling well. Oke. Kemudian there might not be enough time, or there mightn't be enough time to discuss everything at the meeting. Perhaps there will not be enough time. Jadi kita nggak punya waktu untuk membicarakan semuanya pada saat meeting ini gitu ya. Oke. Ini kita akan compare mengenai I'm going to for sure. Jadi ini kayak udah pasti. Misalnya I'm going to buy a car. I'm going to itu udah dijadwal udah direncanakan sebelumnya gitu ya. Dia akan membeli sebuah mobil contohnya. Itu for sure udah dijadwal udah decided gitu, diputuskan. Kemudian I may buy a car or I might buy a car itu ya mungkin aja, mungkin beli, mungkin enggak gitu. Jadi kayak belum pasti gitu. Kemudian yang B, usually you can use may or might. May or might, so you can say I may go to I might I may go to Ireland, or I might go to Ireland. Jen might be able to help you, or Jen may be able to help you. Jadi may or might itu sama aja, penggunaannya bebas ya biasanya, tapi kita menggunakan might, not may go. May, we use might not may when the situation is not real. Di situasi yang tidak nyata. It's not real. Oke, jadi gini. If they paid me better, I might work harder, not I may work. If the situation if they paid me better, it's not real. Karena kan emang enggak kan sebenarnya. They do not pay me well, so I'm not going to work harder. Jadi kayak gitu. Biasanya untuk yang not real kita pakai might, tapi yang lainnya juga boleh aja kita gunakan may or might, itu bebas. Tapi yang tadi ya, untuk konsep yang it's not real itu kita pakai si might gitu. Kemudian yang C, compare may or might being or will being. May or might being and will being. Oke, coba kita cek dulu kalimatnya. Don't phone at 8:30. I'll be watching the football on TV. Oke. Kemudian don't phone at 8:30. I might be watching the football on TV. I might be watching the football on TV. Perhaps I'll be watching it. Nah, ini udah dia memutuskan lah untuk menonton itu, biarpun masih ini ya, masih awal dia memutuskan gitu ya, bukan udah direncanakan dari jauh-jauh, tapi dia memutuskan untuk menonton. Dah lebih inilah dia, mungkin dibandingkan I might be watching. I might be watching itu perhaps I'll be watching. Oke. Kemudian we also use may or might being for possible plan. Jadi kita menggunakan may or may be verb ing for possible plans, untuk rencana yang mungkin. Coba kita lihat contohnya. I'm going to Ireland soon. Itu for sure udah decided sebelumnya. Kemudian I might to be going or I might be going to Ireland soon. Possible itu mungkin, rencana yang mungkin. Jadi bisa pakai be going juga ya. I might be going, I'm going itu for sure, I might be going itu possible ya. Kemudian ada disebut juga might as well. Helen and Claire have just missed the bus. Oke. Si Helen dan Claire itu baru saja ketinggalan busnya. The buses run every hour. Jadi bus itu berjalan setiap sejam. What shall we do? Shall we walk? Apa yang harus kita lakukan? Apakah kita harus berjalan? We might as well. It's a nice day and I don't want to wait here for an hour. Maksudnya apa? Jadi we might as well do something, berarti maksudnya we should do it because there is no better alternative. There is no reason not to do it. Jadi kita seharusnya melakukan itu, something itu, karena tidak ada alternatif yang lebih baik ataupun tidak ada alasan untuk tidak melakukannya. Jadi kita menggunakan might as well or may as well. Oke. Coba kita lihat. What time are you going out? Jam berapa kamu akan pergi? Well, I'm ready, so I might as well go now. Well itu kayak bahasa Inggris tuh. Ya, aku udah siap sih, so I might as well go now. Aku pikir aku bisa pergi sekarang. I might as well go now, or I may as well go now. Kemudian, buses are so expensive this day. You might as well get a taxi. Jadi bus sekarang ini mahal ya. Jadi lebih baik ya kita bisa aja pakai taksi, karena taxi are as good, no more expensive than buses. Jadi si taksi itu bagus juga dan nggak terlalu mahal juga daripada naik bus, bagus naik taksi gitu maksudnya kan. Jadi kayak ada jadi alasan melakukan sesuatu karena tadi there is no better alternative, tidak ada alternatif lebih baik dan tidak ada alasan tidak melakukannya gitu. Ya seperti itu. Kemudian kita masuk ke exercise yang bagian pertama dulu, part 1-nya. Which alternative makes sense? Yang mana alternatifnya masuk akal gitu. Coba kita baca dulu. Where are you going for holidays? Okay. I haven't decided yet nih ya. I haven't decided yet. I might go to Ireland. I might go makes sense. Oke, sip ya. Number 2. Have you decided what sort of car you want to buy? Oke. Yes. Karena katanya udah ini berarti kita harus pakai udah I'm going to get lah. Karena kan kita udah decided sebelumnya gitu ya. Number 3. When is Tom coming to us? When is Tom coming to see us? Kapan si Tom datang melihat kita? He hasn't said yet. Nah, he might come. Karena his coming itu kita belum pasti juga. He might come on Sunday. Dia mungkin aja datang hari Minggu. Oke. 4. Where are you going to put that picture? Kemudian dijawab, I don't know yet. I might hang it in the bedroom. Karena aku belum tahu, mungkin aja barangkali aku akan letakkannya di bedroom, kamar tidur gitu ya. Kemudian 5. What's Tanya going to do when she leaves school? Does she know yet? Yes, she's decided she's going to university. Karena udah she's decided. Okay, she has decided she's going to university. Okay, sure ya. 6. Do you have plans for the weekend? Not fixed. I might go away. Karena dia not fixed ya, belum pasti banget sih sebenarnya gitu maksud dia. Kita masuk ke bagian 2. Complete the sentences using might plus a verb from the box. A verbnya ini ya. Contoh yang pertama, take an umbrella with you when you go out. It might rain later. Okay. 2. Don't make too much noise. You might wake the baby. Mungkin kamu bangunkan bayinya. 3. Be careful with your coffee. You might spill it. Mungkin aja kamu akan menumpahkannya gitu ya. 4. Don't forget your phone. You might, kamu mungkin membutuhkannya. You might need it. 5. It's better if we don't talk to so loud. Somebody might hear us. Mungkin dapat mendengar kita. Okay. 6. Be careful. This footpath is icy. You might slip. Mungkin saja bisa tergelincir gitu kira-kira. Easy ya, easy. Kita masuk ke yang bagian 3. Complete the sentences. Use might be able to or might have to sama one of these verb. Jadi kita dikasih verb sama kayak sebelumnya ya. Tapi kita menggunakan might be able or might have to. Might be able to sama might have to. Coba kita cek dulu. Might be able itu might have to. Coba kita jawab aja deh. Yang pertama, tell me about your problem. I might be able to help you. Oke, masuk akal. I might have. Contohnya kok misalnya I might have to help. Oh, oke, kebayang ya. Ini kemungkinan dapat membantunya sama might have to, harus ya. Kemudian 2. I can come to the meeting. Oh, bentar. Number 2. I can come to the meeting, but blanks before the end. I can come to the meeting. I can come to the meeting, but aku dapat I can come to the meeting. Aku dapat pergi ke pertemuan, tapi but I might be able. Oh, aku harus ya. Aku mungkin harus meninggalkannya sebelum selesai. I might have to leave before the end. Nah, gitu ya. Menarik juga. Number 3. I'm not free this evening. I'm not free this evening, but aku nggak kosong malam ini, but you tomorrow morning. But I might be able to meet you tomorrow evening. Okay, might be able ya. 4. I'm not sure whether this car park is free or not. We might have to pay. Okay. 5. There's a long antrian. Cara bacanya sebentar, aku kurang lupa. Queue. There is a long queue. There's a long queue. There's a long queue. We blanks a long time. Pasti wait ya. Might have to lah berarti ya. We might have to wait a long time. Kira-kira kayak gitu ya. Karena kan pastilah dia might have to wait ya. Kemudian 6. I've got a problem with my bike. Let me have a look. Mungkin aja dia bisa betulin might be able to fix it. Okay. Pay udah. Oke, yang bagian 4. Write sentences with might not. Oke, kita akan menuliskan kalimat menggunakan might not. Lisa not feeling very well. I'm not sure that she will go to the party. Lisa might not come to the party. Si Lisa mungkin tidak datang ke pesta. I haven't seen him for kita baca dulu kalimatnya. Lisa's not feeling very well. I'm not sure that she'll go to the party. Aku nggak yakin dia pergi ke pesta. Lisa might not come to the party. Okay. I haven't seen him for a long time. I don't know if I will recognize him or not. I might not recognize him. Kemudian 3, we want to go to the game, but I don't know whether we'll be able to get ticket. We might not get ticket for the game. Tapi langsung aja ke sini ya. Be able. We might not be able to get tickets for the game. Okay. 4. I said I'd do the shopping, but it's possible I won't have time. But it's possible I won't have time. I won't have time. I might not have time to do the shopping. Okay. 5. I've been invited to the wedding, but I'm not sure that I'll be able to go. I might not sure atau nggak usah pakai I might not be able to go to the wedding. Okay. 5. Apa yang bagian kelima? Read the situation and write sentences with might as well. Might as well itu kegiatan yang kayak kita lakukan karena kita nggak ada pilihan lain gitu ya. We should do it because there is no alternative. Okay. 1. You and a friend have just missed the bus. The buses run every hour. You say we'll have to wait an hour for the next bus. We might as well walk. Okay. Your computer doesn't work anymore. It will cost a lot to repair. It's not worth repairing. I might as well buy a new one. Okay. Number 3, you've painted the kitchen. You still have a lot of paint, so why not paint the bathroom too? You say I might as well paint the bathroom too. There's plenty of paint left. Okay. 4. You and a friend are at home. You're bored. There's a film on TV starting in a few minutes. We might as well watch it atau watch nih. There is nothing else to do. Oke, selesai guys. Ini adalah 35 dari 145. It's a long way to go, but don't stop learning. Keep learning guys. Ini hujan. Mungkin ini video terakhir buat hari ini. Terima kasih telah mengikuti